So I have my project and I have NPM initialized in here, and you see that I have no dependencies. And we have in NPM, we have this concept of dependencies and dev dependencies. So dependencies are packages that will be used in production by our application. So these are necessary for the application to run or being executed. Dev dependencies are packages that are only used while you are doing development in your project. So in this case, I want to add a dev dependency like gulp. So I can say npm I gulp -- save dev, and this will download gulp, the gulp package, and add it as a dev dependency. I can do the same thing. Let's say if I need gulp pug, npm I gulp pug, and instead of typing save dev, I can do the same by using -d uppercase. So in this case, gulp pug gets added as a dev dependency. So now if I want to install a dependency, I can type npm I jQuery, for example, and say save prod. So -- save prod will download the jQuery package and add it in here in my package.json as a dependency. Also, let's say I can do the same, for example, with Lodash. I can say, instead of save prod, I can simply say -p, and that's exactly the same thing, downloading a dependency into my project. So sometimes you may want to test a library, play with it in your project, but not necessarily add it to package.json as a dependency just yet. So let's say if I wanted to test Vue.js in my project, I can say npm Vue, and I can tell npm to not save. So you will see that it downloads Vue, it's not added to package.json, and it is, however, downloaded to Node modules. So the last thing is that if I'm ready testing I tested everything I wanted to test with Vue, I can say I want to add this as a dependency of my project and simply type npm I Vue. The default in here is that it is added as a dependency to the package.json file.